Let's make Dahi Bhalla. It's a popular Indian chaat recipe made with deep fried and soft vadas and topped with yogurt and chutneys. Dahi Bhalla is always on my menu during Ramadan at Iftar. It's a perfect crowd pleaser appetizer. So let's see how to make it. Add half cup urad dal in a bowl. Take another bowl, add 1/4 cup moong dal. Wash them a few times until the water runs clear. Soak them overnight or at least 5 hours. If you are in a hurry, you can soak them in hot water for 3 hours. Once the lentils have doubled or tripled in size, drain the water and wash again. Then add washed lentil in a blender jar and pulse to a fine paste. Make sure to use very little water. The batter should be thick and of dropping consistency. And now I'm going to combine both the batter in one bowl and whisk the batter well using a beater or hand mixer for about 10 minutes. In between, add 1 teaspoon salt and whisk the batter again for few minutes. To get the perfect vada, you must beat the batter till it gets light and fluffy. This is a very important step. So next step is to add 3 cups of warm water in a bowl. Goes in half teaspoon hing and 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Mix well and set this aside. Now heat oil in a kadai or pan. Make sure the oil is hot. Take the batter in your hand or in the spoon. Drop it in the hot oil. Dip the finger in cold water before you make vadas. And now I'm going to fry this till it becomes golden brown and is done on one side. Flip them over with a ladle. When the other side is done, take them out. Now I'm going to soak the vadas in lukewarm water as soon as they are fried. Soak the vadas for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next step is to strain 2 cups of yogurt in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Add little water if required and whisk well and then set this aside. Now take each vada and gently press in between your fingers or palm to remove excess water. Handle them gently, they may break. Now place the softened vada in a bowl or cups. Pour the yogurt over them so they are all covered with the curd. For best result, refrigerate them for 1 hour so the vadas soak in the yogurt. Once you are ready to serve, sprinkle Kashmiri red chili powder, some chaat masala on top and some black salt. Top up with green chutney and then top up with tamarind chutney. And I'm going to sprinkle some save on top. Finally, top up with pomegranate and serve immediately. The best part about it, you can make them a day before and keep them ready. This is a gorgeous dish to serve at Iftar on Ramadan. It's always a hit. And I also made this Dahi Bhalla shorts. I specially made this for kids. My son was fasting and he really enjoyed it. These Dahi Bhalla shorts are perfect for kids too. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us for more short recipes and updates on our Instagram page Shimi'S.kitchen and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you soon with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.